Happy New Year, everyone. I just wanted to quickly share an update of my Slice and Separate add-on for Blender. Now it's on version 1.0.1. This is a free update for existing users. You can get this for free if you bought the Blender add-on on Blender Market or Gumroad. Now it will feature a preferences section in the add-on preferences. So if you look up the Slice and Separate add-on in your add-on settings, there will be a default method drop-down where you can choose between distance or number of slices. You then have the option of setting a default distance or number of slices. Depending on which one you've chosen up here, it will set the distance or the number of slices accordingly when you first open Blender. So this is only affected if you're starting up Blender and haven't changed any of the numbers. So the next thing is it now features a distance and a number of slices option. So let me just expand this object here. And it works as it did before. You can detect the longest side of your object by clicking the detect axis, or you can set it by yourself. In version 1.00 there was a few bugs with the graying out of the button. That's all fixed now. So depending on whether you set your axis, it will light up the Slice and Separate button accordingly. Also, whenever you press any of these axis buttons or detect the axis, it will correctly calculate either the number of slices or the distance based on what setting you have in your settings. So if I have it on number of slices and I detect the axis, it will take the object along the Y direction, take the 5 slices and calculate the distance accordingly. Same for X and Z axis, of course. And if you've set the setting to distance, it will calculate the number of slices. Whenever you change either the distance or the number of slices, it will adjust the other number accordingly. So as soon as I start dragging here, it will start recalculating the numbers. I can also type something in and it will calculate the number of slices. And in the same way, it will calculate the distance based on the number of slices. So now I can either go, oh, I want to have 10 slices, Slice and Separate. There we have perfectly distanced slices by the number of 10. Or you can say, okay, I want to have slices distanced by 1 meter. And then you can slice and it will slice them by 1 meter. Let me go back, let's say 0.5. And you can always check like, oh, if I make the distance 0.5, I will get 28 slices. And yeah, that's about it. And this will also work in each of the directions. Yeah, so as I said, this update is free. I hope this update will turn out to be useful for some of you. A big thanks to all of the people who have already purchased the add-on. I hope you like it. And same thing, if you have any feedback or feature requests, just hit me up on any of my socials or on the Blender Market. Thank you so much and have a nice day.